Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sneha Bajoria and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we will educate you about dentistry. In today's video, we'll learn about coronectomy. Coronectomy is a procedure which is performed when we have to remove your third molar because it is causing you pain or it has cavities or food is getting stuck in between the teeth. But we are unable to do so because your third molar is present very close to your sinus or to your nerves. Let's understand about this procedure with the help of a case that we have done. So, when a patient visits our clinic, the first and foremost thing we do is do a consultation and then take an X-ray. Upon taking the X-ray, you can see that the third molar is tilted towards the second molar, hence causing pain to the patient. But the root of the third molar is very close to the nerve. To confirm our diagnosis, we got a CBCT done and we evaluated the location of the root to the nerves. The evaluation revealed that the root was almost entangled with the nerves. So what we did, we opened the gums of the third molar region. We did a little guttering of the bone to make space and we cut the crown portion of the tooth, took it out, and we left the roots behind. Before closing, we did a root canal treatment of the roots which were left behind so that the roots does not cause any pain in the future. If you see the post-op X-ray, you can mark the difference that now the third molar is not touching the second molar in any manner. So the root becomes a part of your bone and it will stay there without causing you any problem in the future. Then you can close the area up like a normal surgery and you have to follow the precautions for a few weeks, wherein you have to keep the area clean, let the stitches be there, don't touch the area with your tongue and gargle from the next day onwards at least 7 to 8 times a day so that your area is clean. This process is very similar to a normal extraction except that the roots are left behind intentionally. Before you do a coronectomy procedure, make sure that you make the patient understand what is the procedure, what they might face in the next few days, and what are the possible problems that can occur in a few years. Thank you.